Is your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max not loading the home screen, showing home is currently unavailable, or displaying grayed out and missing icons? Here are the best fixes to get your Fire TV home screen loading properly again. Before going into advanced settings, first let's force restart the Fire TV Stick. Press and hold the play/pause button and the select button together on the remote until the TV turns off. The Fire TV Stick will automatically restart and turn back on. If the problem is still there, then most of the time it's related to the Wi-Fi connection. If you can open the network settings right from the error, or if the hamburger menu icon is visible, go to Settings, then open Network Settings. If it says no internet connection, highlight your Wi-Fi network and then on your remote press the menu button on the remote. Then press Select to forget the network. Before reconnecting, restart your Wi-Fi router as well. Once the network name appears again, reconnect to it and enter the password carefully. If the issue still continues, try connecting the Fire TV Stick to another network if available. You can also turn on mobile hotspot on your smartphone and connect the Fire TV Stick to it. This helps confirm whether the issue is with the Fire TV Stick or your main internet connection. If the home screen still isn't loading, check the time zone and region settings since this can cause home screen layout malfunction. Go to Settings, then Preferences, then Time Zone. Open Time Zone again and make sure the correct region and time zone are selected. For many users, this alone fixes the problem. And finally, if nothing else works, you can perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, then My Fire TV, and scroll down to Reset to Factory Defaults. Keep in mind, this will erase everything including your accounts, installed apps, downloaded files, and home screen layout. Let us know which process helped you solve the home screen not loading problem. Hopefully, one of these methods fixes your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max home screen problem.